Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. All nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this regard. That I'm providing a very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice sign off for myself, and it's a multitasking. So, with that said, I will quickly read through the civil justice so that we all can be on the same page. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis' Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars. USA government can provide effective, immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica at fault found guilty, prostitutes at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA government, USA FCC retails, travels, airways, railways, cruise, tribes, agencies, nations, agencies created, robocall poverty mandate is proved. Okay, and I already said that one sentence, I will stop with one sentence of the overview. When I was working in the Poverty Free Earth end of the year 2030 volunteer project, I started in March of spring of 2014 only, and the keyword is the Malaysian Airlines accident, and approximately 300 people died, and it was a mysterious, like nobody could find that air flight, and that is a reality. And I just said it right. So today all the people will relate and they will say, yes, that is Vedapriya, that lady. Yeah, we got it like that. So I provided how and why all the travel types like airways and railways and cruise ships, right, must be safest, right? So I will finish with that because I do not want to delay the session. Okay, they created the robocall poverty mandate is proved and enforced poverty disability to I. Vedapriya Prose on October 2018 for Republican government of USA prostitute to steal the rightful Supreme Court judge of USA job on October 2018 belonged to I. Vedapriya Prose. Civil law must be provided now without any delay. So the domestic violence type of airways and railways and cruise air travel agencies are breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, and causation and injury, battery and types and assault and types, false imprisonment and trespass to land and tribes, trespass to chattels. And this comes in, and also the airplanes also, right? Airlines, everything comes under the umbrella of airways, okay? So, I. Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, owned the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off, at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government as in USA retails, travels, airways, railways, cruise ship types, agencies created robocall poverty mandate and with fatal negligence failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republican government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,000 plus dollars since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021, to I. Vedapriya Prose enforced finance disability to I. Vedapriya Prose abruptly. It is crime for at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, USA retails, travel, airways, railways, cruise types, agencies, nations created robocall poverty mandate is proved. And when ruling USA, never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I. Vedapriya Prose. So civil justice is I. Vedapriya Prose wants Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000 plus dollars in full and sign off tax-free $5,000, and at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, USA FCC retails, travel, airways, railways, cruise types, agencies, nations created robocall poverty mandate with fatal negligence. So must sign off tax-free $500,000 trillion to be direct deposited in my bank account for all types of damages done by selfish cunning, Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species and hell creators, and at fault and found guilty Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide needful help according to be in the same page. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, I proved that it is the Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis that creates the airways accident and the railways accident and the cruise accident worldwide, and nobody knew the true criminals, right? And I displayed the true crime. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.